Welcome and welcome back to my garden family. I am so happy to have you. Thank you all so much for your support. It is felt. A lizard. There's one over there staring at me. All right. Anywho. All right. So, guys, I sincerely appreciate you all. Thank you so much for joining me on my journey. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. If you're watching, you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so and come garden with me now, man. Ciao. All right, so today I will be planting out some seedlings and I will also be preparing the soil to plant some turnips. Well, not for the turnips, some lettuce and some bok choy. Yeah, those two. But two different varieties of lettuce, yes. All right, so I know you can't believe that I'm a gardener and afraid of lizard. I'm just afraid of lizard. Like, I can't help it. Oh, Lord. Whew. Guys, so I have a little encouragement for someone this morning. If you're out there and you are fallen, you can get up again. I know it's easier said than done, but with God, you can do all things. Take your time and don't be afraid when destiny helpers come your way to help you, to push you, to motivate you, to inspire you. Don't be afraid to welcome your destiny helpers. Of course, not everybody is for you, and yes, there are sheeps in wolf clothing, so use your discernment. And once you use your discernment and approve of such person or persons, please don't push them aside. Remember, even when Jesus was carrying the cross, he fell, and yes, he got up. But guess what? There were others around him that helped him to bring that cross. So even Jesus had fallen, but he got up and he allowed his destiny helpers to bring the cross for the remainder of the journey. Oh, glory to God. And it did not stop him for dying for us so that you and I can have salvation. You are not just important to yourself. There are so many others out there that you wouldn't imagine that is motivated by you, that is inspired by you. And I speak from the heart and I speak as a living testimony. Get up, guys. Go again. God is with you. Trust Him. So, yes, let's get going. So these are some of the seedlings I will be planting out today. Not everything, like the younger ones, I'm going to leave them. Let them establish themselves a little more. But like this, for example, what is this? This is a zucchini. I am going to plant this out. And I may plant out these cantaloupes. No, I think I'm going to leave the cantaloupes for now. Yes, let them gather some more true leaves. But like these okras right here, and well, these are what? These are Chicago pickling cucumbers. I can plant these out as well. So, and these are watermelons. This one is coming out already, so I'm going to plant this out. I don't have a lot of time to plant out this morning, and I'm only planting out in the morning today because of the weather that we've been getting, and it's very bleaky. I always prefer to do my transplants in the evening so that plants will not be stressed out when the sun comes up. So because of the weather forecast, I am taking the opportunity this morning to do a few because of the timing to do everything. I have these sunflowers to plant out As you can see, they're getting very, very leggy. I'm not going to be able to show you all the planting out. And besides, I don't want to bore you either way. So just showing you a little example of how I go about it. So for example, for this cucumber that I'm going to take out, I just come right here, squeeze the bottom, and you see it is pushed up. And so I just take it out like this and plant it. I'm going to show you just an example of this one for those who are new and want to know how I go about planting my seedlings, and then I'll do the others off camera. So let me quickly get to the pot that I'm going to put this cucumber in. I'm going to put this right here. One moment, let me get my tool. Let me use this. So I'm just going to put a hole in here like this. So I want to cover it close to the crown. Not too close, but close enough. What I really want is for the seedling to be planted deep enough so that it can develop a strong root system. Alright, so let's cover this and give it a little press. Guys, you don't have to do like me. Wear your gloves. I will wear my gloves, but there are times when I just don't mind touching the soil. So it's really up to you how you want to go about it. So yeah, and then I just water it in. So after I am done here, then I will do the rest of these. All right, so these are the trays that I'm going to use for the lettuce and the pak choy. So they look a little dirty because these containers that you're seeing right here, I had some of them in here. So I was washing them out because they look worse than this. But then I was saying, but why wash them out? And I'm going to put back soil in them. So hence why they are looking like that. Alright, so these right here, before I get to this, these right here, I am just going to sow some corns in it, some sweet corns. These are from Marie from Farming on the Rocks. Thanks again, Marie. I don't have a lot of them left. So, let me see. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa, really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, because I know I brought a dozen outside here, but only 11, so can't do anything about that. I have other sweet corn, but I don't want to mix the variety. So, seeing that I only have these left, I am going to have to save seeds so that I can keep this variety going in my garden. And so I'm going to water these when we are done here. So just to get the soil ready, put that over there. Uh-oh, damaging my banana. Get this over here as well. already poked holes inside here. So let's get this soil in. Alright, so this is enough right here right now. Then I can put the scraps in. So these are kitchen scraps. These are mainly like yam and banana, Irish potato, carrots, pumpkin skin, star fruit that's spoiled. You can use just about any scraps from the kitchen. Alright. Ooh, this got wet up. There's some coffee grounds inside here that I got from Starbucks. I don't have any rabbit poo or chicken poo, no manure at the moment. The only manure I have is in sawdust. That's fine. Whenever I get manure, I can still add it to the soil. So I am just going to basically cover this up now, because what I'm doing really is to bury them, and I'll keep watering them on a daily. This one looks like it have a little more than this. Let me just balance them out. Oh my god. That's just me, guys. I love to see things uniformed. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Soon I'll take up this. So I'm just going to water them in. This too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.